Today at 3D Cloud Print, we will be printing and assembling a turntable for 3D Scanner. We use our software, Cloud 3D Print, to create a project named 3D Scanner Turntable. Upload all the parts to the project and put the parts into the hotbed. Choose slicing parameters and start slicing in the cloud. Next, we can print the rotary components. And of course, carefully separate the pieces and try to remove any stringing. Finally, we can start putting everything together. The two halves of the base lock in together, and the center of the rotating table is pressed fit to the halves of the plate. Next, we'll assemble and place the handle into the base structure. Place the plate into the center. As an optional last step, you can also place a cutout piece of paper onto the plate to create a smooth surface. Now, our 3D printed turntable is finished, and we can start showcasing our models. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe Cloud 3D Print to see the latest videos.